Yeah, I must go to kak last night. Fuck. Made a fucking bet with the orangutans. The Bafana's gonna win by 5 goals or more. I put our son on the line. Fuck. Shut Ben. King Kong Jr. My only lighty. Always be remembered. You're orangutan now, buddy. But fuck, how do I break it to my wife? She's not gonna be very impressed with this decision that I made. Fuck, man. What if I get a passport and just fuck off to Mexico? No way. Sure, yeah, fuck, man. Get a little bungalow out there in Cancun with a little mamacita. Pleased to meet ya. No, man, what the fuck am I thinking? I can't do that to my wife. Wait, let me think here, go, man. I need to get my head straight. The upside of moving to Mexico is obviously Latinas. Obviously. Like, who are we kidding? Latinas and chimichangas. Okay, yeah, fuck. Let me get this passport right, man.